PREMPEH College. Name the main source of the calcium in the clinker and what process or processes that raw material goes through during the formation of clinker. Yes, Bafwewa.
The main source of calcium is calcium carbonate, and it is formed when calcium carbonate in fossil materials are broken down by weathering.
I'll give you one. So, the preamble is this. Differentiate the given function. That's the preamble. So, St. Francis Xavier, your function, y is equal to 2x minus 3 all over the expression x plus 1. Kasan.
dy dx is equal to minus 1 all over the expression x plus 1 all squared.
That's incorrect. Yes, Apia.
Okay. dy dx equals 5 on the expression x plus 1 all squared.
Yes. Xavier, with the same preamble, your function is y is equal to x plus 2 all over the expression 2x minus 1. Yes, Abraham.
dy dx is equal to 1 over the expression 2 multiplying 2x minus 1 squared.
That's incorrect. Yes, Apia.
dy dx equals negative 5 on the expression 2x minus 1 all squared.
Yes. Your major question with the same preamble. Your function is y is equal to x over the expression x plus 3. Yes, Bafuwa.
dy dx equals 3 over the expression x plus 3 all squared.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. A cylinder of mass 0.200 kilogram, a moment of inertia 0.0250 kilogram meter squared, slides and rolls on a horizontal surface. Find the kinetic energy of the cylinder for the given translational speed v and angular speed omega. All right, so now the questions. St. Francis Xavier, v is equal to 4.00 meters per second, and omega is equal to 2.00 radians per second. With the same preamble, Xavier, v is equal to 2.00 meters per second, and omega is equal to 4.00 radians per second. Abraham.
The kinetic energy is 1.00 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 joules.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Apia.
The kinetic energy is 0.600 joules.
That's right. Now your major question with the same preamble. V is equal to 4.00 meters per second, and omega is equal to 4.00 radians per second. PREMPEH College. The earthworm has no special respiratory organs. How does exchange of gases take place? Bafuwa.
The earthworm has a high or a large surface area to volume ratio, and the skin is usually moist, so it undergoes its gaseous exchange by simple diffusion across the entire body surface.
Yes. In the preparation of calcium oxide by the burning of calcium metal, 10.0 grams of the metal yields 12.6 grams of the oxide. Calculate the percentage yield of this preparation. Please give your answer to one place of decimal. Atomic mass for calcium is still 40, and that for oxygen is 16. Yes, Abraham?
1.26 times 10 to the power 2 grams.
That's incorrect. Yes, Apia?
90%.
That's incorrect. Only one attempt at the bonus. Only one attempt at the bonus. I asked for one place of decimal. The right answer is 90.0%. Your major question, PREMPEH College. If in another preparation of calcium oxide, the yield is only 80%, what mass in gram of calcium oxide can be obtained from 27.0 grams of calcium? Please give your answer to 2 places of decimal, and atomic mass for calcium continues to be 40. Yes, Bafuwa.
30.24 grams.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Determine the possible range of values of K if the given equation has no real roots. All right, so now your equation. 3x squared plus 2kx plus 2k is equal to 0. Laverne.
Madam, k less than 0, greater than 2.
That's incorrect. Yes, Bafuwa.
Madam, the range is 0 less than k less than 6.
Yes. With the same preamble, your equation, 5x squared minus 2kx plus k is equal to 0. Bafuwa.
Madam, the range is 0 less than k less than 5.
You're right. Xavier, the work function of a photocathode is 3.0 electron volts. Calculate the speed of the fastest electron that can be ejected by 4.8 electron volt photons. Which of you, please? Yes, Bafuwa.
8.0 by 10 to the power 5 meter per second.
Yes. Calculate the speed of the fastest electron that can be ejected from a metal of work function 2.8 electron volts when it is illuminated by 3.25 electron volt photons. Bafuwa.
4.0 by 10 to the power 5 meter per second.
You're right. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will give you a description. Please name the plant hormone that the description refers to, or name the plant hormone to which the description I give you refers. PREMPEH with the same preamble. Stimulates cell division together with auxin, promotes chloroplast development, delays leaf aging, promotes formation of buds, inhibits formation of lateral roots produced by root apical meristems, and in mature fruits. Yes, Apia?
Cytokinin.
Yes. A meter bridge connected as a potentiometer is calibrated with a 1.20 volt cell, which gives null deflection when one of its terminals is connected to the 0 centimeter mark and the jockey is on the 45.0 centimeter mark. Find the EMF of a similarly connected cell which gives null deflection when the jockey is on the 54.0 centimeter mark. Please raise your hand for me. Bafuwa.
1.44 volts.
You're right. A high-frequency transformer has 20 primary turns and 5 secondary turns wound on a ferrite core. Find the secondary RMS voltage when the primary is excited by a sine wave whose RMS voltage is 8 volts. Apia?
2 volts.
You're right. When scandium-45, atomic number 21, is bombarded with neutrons, it captures one and disintegrates to give a new nuclide of mass number 42 and an alpha particle. Give the atomic number of the new nuclide and identify the element. Which of you, please, Bafua?
The atomic number is 19, and the element is potassium.
You're right. Next one. Find the value of values of x, given that the vector A is equal to xi plus 7j has magnitude 25. Yes, which of you? Up here.
Plus or minus 24.
Yes. Identify the polygon, the sum of whose interior angles is 5 pi radians. Up here.
Heptagon.
Yes. The distance between adjacent divisions on the main scale of a pair of vernier calipers is identical to the distance between adjacent vernier divisions. Yes, up here.
False.
That's right. The cell wall of plants shows semi-permeability. Up here.
False.
Yes. The Ferling's reactions with alkanals are redox reactions. Up here.
True.
Yes. The resistance of a PN junction is smaller when the junction is forward biased than when the junction is reverse biased. Yes, up here?
True.
That's right. Annelids show advancement over nematodes in having a true coelom. Up here?
True.
Yes. Complementary angles add up to a straight angle. Up here?
False.
That's right. The most electronegative element is oxygen. Up here?
False.
Yes. I am a solid solution. My name gives away one of my constituents. My solute is a main group element. My solvent is a metal bearing the name of a planet in our solar system. In principle, I can be used as a reducing agent. My solute is the third metal. Yes, up here.
Potassium amalgam.
Yes.